Welcome to my channel. In this video I will tell you about daily use sentences. That sentences help you to build up your spoken English. Let us go out for a walk. Let us go out for a walk. Let him take tea. Let him take tea. Let us go to cinema today. Let us go to cinema today. Please read the book. Please read the book. You may go out. You may go out. I have heard you tell stories. I have heard you tell stories. Let your elder brother go home. Let your elder brother go home. He need not come here. He need not come here. Are you well? Are you well? They will sail for America. They will sail for America. What makes you laugh? What makes you laugh? If you were intelligent, you can do this. If you were intelligent, you can do this. Long live our king. Long live our king. If it drizzle, do not go out. If it drizzle, do not go out. If the boy were strong, he could do this. If the boy were strong, he could do this. You should pay money to call someone. You should pay money to call someone. Be careful, lest you should fall in danger. Be careful, lest you should fall in danger. To forgive is divine. To forgive is divine. It's not hard to read. It's not hard to read. I have no ball to play with. I have no ball to play with. She came to see me. She came to see me. My room is too late. My room is too late. It is bad for health to sleep much. It is bad for health to sleep much. He wants to whisper. He wants to whisper. Is it difficult to drive a car? Is it difficult to drive a car? He is a lame man. He is a lame man. He has done the work. He has done the work. Open at page 70. Open at page 70. Please kindly help me. Please kindly help me. He wants half the property. He wants half the property. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for this kind of English related videos.